CHILIZ value equivalent to 2.2374 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.2083 to 2.2592. The earlier day close, 2.2286. The change was plus 0.0088. Plus 0.39%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHZ. CHILIZ cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. CHILIZ cost forecast on Monday, WAC 6, cost 2.13 rands, high 2.28, low 1.98. CHILIZ estimate on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost 2.05 rands, high 2.19, low 1.91. CHILIZ cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost 1.96 rands, high 2.10, low 1.82. CHILIZ estimate on Thursday, WAC 9, cost 2.04 rands, high 2.18, low 1.90. CHILIZ cost forecast on Friday, WAC 10, cost 1.99 rands, high 2.13, low 1.85. In multi-week CHILIZ estimate on Monday, WAC 13, cost 2.00 rands, high 2.14. Low 1.86. CHILIZ cost forecast on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. CHILIZ estimate on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. CHILIZ cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 16, cost 1.97 rands, high 2.11, low 1.83. CHILIZ estimate on Friday, WAC 17, cost 1.97 rands, high 2.11, low 1.83. In about 14 days CHILIZ cost expectation on Monday, WAC 20, cost 1.93 rands, high 2.07, low 1.79. CHILIZ conjecture on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost 1.89 rands, high 2.02, low 1.76. CHILIZ cost expectation on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost 1.97 rands, high 2.11, low 1.83. CHILIZ conjecture on Thursday, WAC 23, cost 1.96 rands, high 2.10, low 1.82. CHILIZ cost expectation on Friday, WAC 24, cost 1.95 rands, high 2.09, low 1.81. In 3 weeks CHILIZ conjecture on Monday, WAC 27, cost 2.05 rands, high 2.19, low 1.91. CHILIZ cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost 1.97 rands, high 2.11, low 1.83. CHILIZ conjecture on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. CHILIZ cost expectation on Thursday, WAC 30, cost 2.18 rands, high 2.33, low 2.03. CHILIZ conjecture on Friday, WAC 31, cost 2.13 rands, high 2.28, low 1.98. In about a month CHILIZ cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. CHILIZ conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. CHILIZ value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. CHILIZ cost expectation for WAC 2023. At the outset cost at 2.41 rands, excessive cost 2.53, while low cost 1.76. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.21. CHILIZ cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.13. Change for spring 11.6%. CHILIZ conjecture for April 2023. At the outset cost at 2.13 rands, excessive cost 2.29, while low cost 1.73. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.05. CHILIZ cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.04. Change for April 4.2%. CHILIZ cost expectation for May 2023. To start with cost at 2.04 rands, exorbitant cost 2.26. While low cost 1.96. The found the middle value of cost 2.09. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 2.11. Change for May 3.4%. CHILIZ gauge for June 2023. In the first place cost at 2.11 rands, exorbitant cost 2.62. While low cost 2.11. The found the middle value of cost 2.32. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 2.45. Change for June 16.1%. CHILIZ cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.45 rands, exorbitant cost 2.45, while low cost 1.92. The middle value of cost 2.22. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 2.06, change for July 15.9%. CHILIZ estimate for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.06 rands, exorbitant cost 2.06, while low cost 1.61. The middle value of cost 1.87. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 1.73. Change for August 16.0%. CHILIZ cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at 1.73 rands, exorbitant cost 1.75, while low cost 1.53. The middle value of cost 1.66. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 1.64. Change for September 5.2%. CHILIZ estimate for October 2023. To start with, cost at 1.64 rands, exorbitant cost 2.01, while low cost 1.64. The middle value of cost 1.79. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 1.88. Change for October 14.6%. CHILIZ cost expectation for November 2023. To start with, cost at 1.88 rands, exorbitant cost 2.33, while low cost 1.88. The middle value of cost 2.07. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 2.18. Change for November 16.0%. CHILIZ estimate for December 2023. To start with, cost at 2.18 rands, exorbitant cost 2.71, while low cost 2.18. The middle value of cost 2.40. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 2.53. Change for December 16.1%. CHILIZ cost expectation for January 2024. To start with, cost at 2.53 rands, exorbitant cost 2.53, while low cost 1.98. The middle value of cost 2.29. CHILIZ cost estimate toward the month's end 2.13. Change for January 15.8%. CHILIZ conjecture for February 2024. Before all else, cost at 2.13 rands, excessive cost 2.13, while low cost 1.66. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.93. CHILIZ cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.79. Change for February 16.0%. CHILIZ cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at 1.79 rands, excessive cost 1.79, while low cost 1.40. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.62. CHILIZ cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.50. Change for spring 16.2%. ZAR to CHZ conversion scale equivalent to 0.4470 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4426